Welcome to our channel. And it's Monday, day 3 of our soufriere adventure.
Good morning.
Today, we are on our way to Tet Paul's Nature Trail, an oasis of natural wonder, beauty, and cultural significance.
Thank you.
Join us as we delve deep into the heart of St. Lucia's hidden gem, uncovering the wonders that awaits us at this unique attraction.
That's straw. You're not asking for a straw?
No.
You need a straw. Yeah, it's straw.
As we leave behind the serene beauty of our accommodation through the charming countryside, we enjoyed the scenic drive as the roads winds through the mountainous villages, allowing us glimpses of the vibrant Caribbean life that thrives on this enchanting island. Arriving at Tet Paul Nature Trail, we're greeted by a warm, friendly guide and the tranquility of nature.
Okay, so I'm Kalina, and I'll be your guide on top for the next 45 minutes round trip. Depends on your walking pace. Okay. For the first 10 to 15 minutes will be a few steps of climbing, and after which is smooth sailing. Okay. I was just getting into gear to go all the way up there. Woo!
We could see the trail ahead as we set out on our hike, surrounded by lush foliage and trees.
Yeah, just taking in the beauty. Saw the bird. Few steps. Yeah.
Woo. With every step, we became closer to the vibrant rhythm of the rainforest.
Good morning. Hello, hello. I'm good, thank you. Whew. Good morning. Okay. And this is for the same truck, Tet Paul. Okay. These steps are actually from the tree, the roots of this mango tree right here. Yeah, and they naturally woven and make the steps. Oh wow. Oh wow.
As we ascend, the viewpoint started to emerge, leaving us with mystical sights.
Wow. This was worth it. Oh my God. I thought they said the country is small. Well, relatively. I mean, so if you look over to the western side, this large community right here, is the community of Choiseul, which is the largest community in St. Lucia, and that's because of the land mass, not the population. So
Okay.
that's because of the size.
Okay.
And Trailhead is also known as a farming village, a fishing village, and where you go to get some local arts and crafts. So Trailhead has some this range right here where you see the red roof, and it heads down all the way to where you see this little way in the corner.
Okay. Out to the sea.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. So to get to Choiseul from here, continue through the hill and go down. Okay. Nice.
You ready?
When you're ready. Oh, I gotta prove my husband wrong. No, but he's like, you won't be able to do it. I'm like, okay, I'll show you. He's almost right. Almost. Oh man. Oh. Okay, now I get it. So that must be worse. Yeah, they give you seat, meaning rest here because you're gonna need the extra energy. It is an adventure. Thank you. Why they roll or you hit my feet? Remind me to explain that when I say Lucia, I say a few steps. It's a whole staircase. Good morning.
And more stairs. Remember I told you. Yeah, that's what I think. We hear few. We're thinking, 1 or 2 flights of stairs. But no. When they say 5 minutes, it actually means half hour. But I hear people. I'm not the first to try to die today. I see other voluntary victims of the Tet Paul Trail, like myself. And I can tell you, it was well worth it, without me even seeing the view. Because my big ass needed this exercise. Woo! But that's the roof. At this magnificent view. Woo! Yes. Oh my God.
The stunning landscape unfolds before us like a masterpiece, revealing the island's unparalleled beauty and the undeniable allure of the Caribbean.
See? So it's a bit cloudy today. The sun is out, but there's a lot of clouds, so
Climbing to the viewpoint was well worth it as we were rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views of the island.
I think that's where we're headed for the final stop. This is a cashew tree, if you know cashew. See? There's no cashew on it right now. Coconuts, mangoes, fertile land. Land is so fertile. Another mango. See, oh, the beautiful views. Wow.
Tet Paul Nature Trail is not just a natural gem. It holds a deep cultural significance.
That's where we're coming from?
From here we'll have the farming community of Chateaubelair, which is the highest plateau in St. Lucia where people live, and there's approximately 200 persons living there. So for little what the people do from the community is mainly farming. So the main crop down there would be sweet potatoes.
Okay.
And Tet Paul here is also a community-based project funded by this community right here. So everyone who works here is from the community. So therefore you are supporting a local community.
Okay. A local project.
Yeah.
Okay.
And also if you look straight ahead, it's a bit hazy, but we'll have the very south tip of the island. This here is viewpoint. So if you look in the center, there is a little island shaped like a triangle, half a mile away from shore. This here is Maria Island, which is nature reserve. National Trust.
Yeah, I heard about it.
And the flat white horizontal place in the center, this is the Hiranura International Airport.
The?
Hiranura International Airport.
Okay.
You have the Hiranura and the George F.L. Charles to the left. This one is the international one.
This is UVF?
Yeah.
Okay. Got it. Okay. Down, down, down. That means we gotta come back up, up. Well, I did it, babe. Sugar cane, bananas, pineapples, papayas, coconuts.
Right now we are heading to Paradise.
And if you look over there, you can see the Pitons head popping up. One of the Pitons right there.
As we explore further, the sounds of the rainforest enchants us. Birds singing melodious tunes, the rustling of leaves creates a symphony of serenity as we find solace in nature's harmonious melody. Our knowledgeable guide shares stories of the land and its role in the community, passing down deep-rooted traditions to generations that have stood the test of time.
Okay, so welcome to the Valley of Paradise. To your right, we'll have where we talk 2,619 feet above sea level. In meters, that would be 798 meters. So the hike there would be 2 hours up, 2 hours down, depends on your walking pace. So the trail will be to the back, which is on the ocean side. So if you look, there is a community to the base of Gropita right here. This here is the community of Mojalib. That's where you'd pay your entrance fee and you head up the Pitons, which also means Valley of the Free People. So back in slavery time, when the slaves ran away from the slave master, they would hide to the base of the Pitons right here. So you can feel free to get your photos.
We learn about its spiritual significance for the local community, the traditions and rituals that have been practiced here for generations, giving us a feeling of connection to the island's rich cultural heritage.
lights. So right now you stand in between the two. You drop it over to your left, flip it over to your right. They are 1.5 miles away from each other from base to base. Top to top would be about 3 miles away from each other. So here you can also get your panoramic photo with the two pitons together. And to the base of Piton would also have Sugar Beach Viceroy Resort, which is one of the most expensive resorts on island, and also one of the best places for snorkeling and diving.
The beauty of this place calls for moments of contemplation and reflection.
I hope y'all heard that. Can't say this isn't worth it. So to climb this, where they start from? On the other side?
On the other side, yeah. But this one is more like rock climbing. So
that's
after
what
the trail, the other half is more like...
As we pause to admire the surroundings, we capture the essence of the rainforest's tranquility and natural harmony. Today has been a celebration of nature's wonders and the island's rich cultural heritage. From the breathtaking views atop Tet Paul to the harmony of the rainforest, it has been a day of soulful connections and cherished memories.
Let's look at our final stop, standing 600 meters, 1,800 feet. Woo! 360 degrees of the quarter of the island.
Climbing to the viewpoint was well worth it as we were rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views of the island and the majestic Pitons as it stands tall. The view from the top is nothing short of magical, and we felt humbled by the grandeur of nature. Feeling grateful for the experiences that have enriched our souls. Our hearts are filled with fond memories and a renewed sense of wonder for the world around us. As our journey comes to a close, we invite you to join us for more experiences as we continue to explore, one destination at a time. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more travel experiences. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.